Long, ang nagbigay sa akin yan, sabi niya, retired na, mahirap na. Sabi niya, ito yung mga tao, Mayor. Matagal na yan. Itong 164, kung matanggal mo yan sa customs, okay na ang Pilipinas. Okay na tayo. Kaya, binaba kong yung iba na demanda naman. Pero yung iba ayaw mag... well, I rely on Madam Lisada kung DDS. Gusto nila ng DDS. Hindi naman totoo yung DDS. Ang Davao yan, ang ano, that is Davao. Ang kalaban ko sa politika, Davao Death Squad. Ang DDS actually, yun ang pang-counter ng Sparrow. In Davao, we used to lose about 3 to 4 policemen a day. Sprawled, basisan sa. Mag-traffic, magkain. Minsan yung pan, sa bunganga pa eh. Pati yung mga haggard. Ganun, maraming patay. So, ito sila, they came up with a Davao Death Squad. Pwede siyempre, gobyerno ako, sige, suportahan ko kayo to counter the Sparrow. Yun ang umpisa niyan. Ako naman, there was this movement, and it was anti-communist, and to meet force by force. Sige. Ang problema nito, sino bang sumulat itong speech ko? Baka basahin na lang ko siguro, ma'am, no? Pero hindi na magsama ang loob. I am deeply honored to be with you today as we gather to confer the 2019 Outstanding Government Workers Awards. Let me express my gratitude to the Civil Service Commission for holding this annual event that recognizes the best among us. The event is a celebration of not only your individual and organizational triumphs, more importantly, this is a celebration of your accomplishments that have contributed greatly to the realization of our national development agenda. We confer the Presidential Lingkod Bayan